Hey guys, I'm Joe and I've just arrived in Istanbul from London. And it's amazing here. I don't know. That's the hair clinic. The biggest hair clinic in the world. Let's go see what it's like.
I can walk around and the wind can be blowing at me and I can be the top man, I can be a good bloke. 1-0 to Joe, 0 to the wind. Do you know what I mean? It's going to be amazing. I cannot wait.
I feel like TV's on the plane for like a 4-hour. What are you doing?
Trying to find the alcohol menu.
The alcohol menu? Really? You got the seatbelt there? What the hell? You're such a TikTok sheep. You're a TikTok sheep.
We'll just stay with you and have fun. I guess that's what life's all about.
Landed. Alright, so we're in the cab now on the way there. Look how beautiful this looks. Okay, you got a lovely little TV there showing me what's going to happen in the next few days. Blue LED lights, futuristic cab. I'm relaxed, I feel comfortable, I feel like I'm the king of the castle. They took us to the clinic and it was so modern. I felt like I was in a spaceship.
So I decided to do a hair transplant in Istanbul, Turkey at Elliot Hair. And the reason for that was because with my hair, I can't lie, it's a massive self-confidence thing. And I feel like loads of people can relate to that as well. When your hairline and the wind's blushing at you and your hairline's showing and you got a massive forehead and all that, it's not great. You don't like it and it puts it down and it makes you a bit depressed in my opinion.
Oh, I hate this. I actually hate this with a passion. I'm not looking.
Open your hands.
I hate blood tests. That actually didn't hurt. Wait, that was the blood test, right? It hasn't happened yet, you're joking me.
Again, please.
You had a good day today?
Yeah.
That's good.
Do you speak Turkish?
Mahaba.
Merhaba.
Yeah, hello. It means hello. Mahaba. Mahaba nasisi. Mahaba nasisi.
How are you?
Yeah. That's all I know. What the hell's happening? Oh, is this shock? Is it shocking me? Wait, this is like Human Torch. What's happening? What is going on? I'm joking. Sorry. Wow. She started touching up my hair so I could have a look at my hair follicles. Oh, that's my hair? Yes. Oh, that is sick. Is that a healthy set of hair or is it? I washed it this morning, it shouldn't be dirty. God, it looks very red.
It's about the blood vessel.
Love life. Live, breathe air. So many things going on. It's like going different mazes and stuff. Very futuristic room. I love it. It's messed up my hair, which I don't like. So how's your day been? Hey? Just talking to the doc. You know?
So the ECG result is looking natural and good.
Natural and good, yes.
The results are looking good here.
Me wondering, I've got lots of hair. Why did I want to do a hair transplant? Well, I came to Elliot Clinic. It's because it's cheaper, right? It feels more safe. I did my research. It's the world's biggest clinic. Why wouldn't I want to come here? You know, first time I walked in, I was excited. I was excited about this procedure. If I did it in the UK, I wouldn't want to do it. You know, it's just I feel at home here. I feel very relaxed and comfortable, and that's why I wanted to do it. It's so much better.
Right, so I'm here with my girlfriend. I want your actual, serious, honest opinions, right? When I said I'm gonna get a hair transplant, what do you think?
Honest opinion.
Yeah, honest opinion. Do your honest opinion.
I personally, no offence to the balds,
No offence to the bald. What are you doing now?
A bald boyfriend.
What's wrong with a bald boyfriend? As you can see, I'm not bald though, so it's calm. But what happens if I went bald? What's wrong with that?
I mean, I'm 22.
Yeah?
No one wants a bald boyfriend at 22.
Yeah, but they're not bald though, are they? Not like Dwayne Rock the Johnson. They've got hair follicles on them. It's new hair. And it's gonna grow into better hair. So why does that matter?
I'm pretty impatient. I mean...
You're what?
Impatient. But it's good because you haven't got...
Yeah, well, luckily for her, I decided to do the partial shave, which you can do. You don't have to actually shave your hair when you do it. I did the partial shave, and what does it look like now? You think it's all right?
I honestly think you look normal.
Basically, what's going to happen is that they've basically put more hair follicles in, so it's going to be thicker when it grows, and I think it will look so much better.
Yeah.
And I don't have to walk around being bald. I don't have to be like, oh no, I've got no hair. Oh, it doesn't matter, because you can do the partial shave, and I feel like that's helped me boost my confidence.
Yeah.
And you like it?
Yeah, I'm less anxious in public. That's
You're less anxious in public.
to be around you. Yeah.
God, you're actually discriminated against the balls right now. I can't lie. It's like, oh, Jesus.
Tell them
Okay.
we run this town. We represent. We've always
Ready for the transplantation of my hair.
Oh, what is going on? I'm just deep in this. I'm just deep in the situation.
we represent. We've always worn like that.
Could you tell me a little bit about your expectation from the operation? What are you?
I'm just hoping to get a better hairline. That's what I want. Then just a little bit of thickness where it's up here.
Front hairline.
Yeah, front hair is thicker. Yeah.
Let me check, please. Come with me.
Dr. Balby is honestly, he is the best doctor I've ever seen in my life. The guy showed me hairs that I didn't even know were missing. I basically had like a missing part on my scalp that I had no idea. There's no hair there.
Yeah.
What?
Because the Gulf area is here, contact each other here, make a bridge. You see here the bridge?
What is going on? How is there no hair there? Who's decided that? That is ridiculous. Looks like Batman. Yo. That is amazing though, isn't it? How there's
now
no
you
hair
can
there.
see the area clearly.
Yeah. So he basically does the measuring of it and he measures your grafts, how many grafts you got to do. It's all professional, it's all good.
Because in the future, if you lose this area here, it will be like island if we don't implant any hair here.
Ah, yeah, that makes sense.
So, as you know, we give you a result for all your life, not for a short period. So
Yeah, true.
you should thinking about that also.
Goodbye, office. Thank you, sir.
Operation, sir.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
You wizard.
We're loyal and we're bound.
It's like when you're held hostage, you're like, please help me. Look at me, yeah? Yeah, look at this, yeah? It's the new hairstyle. It's called the SJ. If you want to get it, just go to your local barber and call for the SJ. And it's like, do you know what I mean? Hair is literally falling off. That's how bad my hair loss is. There is hair. They shaved it all off, and then right after that, you go into the operation. Now, the operation, honestly, is like there's no pain there. They put you into a sedation for 15 minutes and they put the local anesthesia in you and you don't feel anything when you're in there. You're so calm, you're sitting there, you can play on your phone. I had a lovely view of Istanbul. And yeah, honestly, I was actually enjoying it. It was pretty fun, to be honest.
You look lovely. Look at your Crocs as well.
I love the Crocs.
Look at the Crocs. Look at the Crocs. You're a proper nurse. What is going on? We're ready for the transplant. We're ready for it. Look at the view though. It looks amazing. So, wait, what's happening now? Am I getting...
You get 2 hours and then you have a break and then you got another 4 hours and honestly, it went like that. I can't lie. I think I had a little sleep in there and it was fine. I'm done. I've done it. Finally got a straight hairline. Get a little close up on that. Finally, a straight bloody hairline. And I feel fine. I feel good. It took 6 hours, but I can't lie. I just slept the entire way. And the view that I was with, right, the view that I had, it was so relaxing. It was so therapeutic. It was beautiful. And I feel bloody fine. Like I can do stuff. Like I don't feel like tired or anything. I feel lovely and I'm chilling here, having a good time.
The day is ours and we seize it. Haters, man, they got reasons.
Okay, we've got 2 people here. One person, I think, doing a hair transplant. We're going to ask him what he's thinking. Okay, who's doing the hair transplant here? He is. Now, do you mind asking him why you chose this clinic? Why Elliot Hair?
Warum hast du dir das hier ausgesucht? War die erste Seite, die ich gefunden habe. It's the first page here is found.
The first page? Really? So why did you stick with that first page? Did you not look at any others?
Was, hast du dir noch andere Sachen angeguckt oder bist du nur darauf geblieben? Ich bin nur darauf geblieben. Here is only the page here. It's searched and
It's a short attention span. I don't think he cares about everything. Are you having any are you scared about it? Are you scared?
hast du ein bisschen Angst oder? He is a little bit nervous, but he's not scared.
Not scared. Wow, it seems like you've got this perfect.
Sagt, du hast hier voll Vertrauen, oder?
Yeah. He seems very confident, very confident. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, we've got another one here doing a hair transplant. What's your name, sir?
Nico, hi.
Nico, I'm Joe.
Hi, Joe.
Now, why did you choose this clinic here? Why did you come to Istanbul? Why Turkey?
Because I got 2 recommendations from colleagues of mine, and they told me good results and everything. So yeah, and it's 1 year ago. and the results are pretty good.
It looks good. Is it this clinic here?
Yes, this clinic.
Wow, so there's proof that it's actually good. Now, why did you come to Istanbul though?
Because I think the results are here the best because they got the best experience.
Yeah.
That's what I heard, so
you're not scared at all, you're pretty confident about it?
No, absolutely not. So I'm totally fine.
That's brilliant, well done. Thank you, sir. Straight after that, I still got the anesthesia in me, so I'm absolutely fine. I'm walking, I'm okay, and it's just pain-free, which is something that I didn't. I expected a little bit of pain, but honestly, I can say that I experienced no pain whatsoever. And you know what will be good as well? My girlfriend will love me again because I'll have a straight hairline. I could be loved again.